In this video, we will discuss viewing the Drive Air Readout on a DS7 touchscreen. Begin by pressing the menu button at the top right of the screen. Next, select Equipment Settings. Then Delivery System and Drive Air Pressure. Withdraw the handpiece you would like to check from the holder. Step on the foot control fully to view the drive air pressure. Once you are finished, press the Home button in the top left corner to exit the menu and return to the home screen. If you have additional questions, please call customer service at 1-800-547-1883. A helpful A-dec associate is just an email or phone call away. That's one thing you can always count on.